Pebble, and she is. What's your name?
Help.
She's not being forced. She wanted to join the GC. So that's what we're doing.
Help.
By the way, we're actually calling because we have nothing else to do except for assignments. So let's go. Let's watch what they're doing.
Monster. How should I feel?
This guy's yeah, I already know who the murderer is.
Because you're spectating.
Yeah, because there's like only two people left. The one with the gun, like the guy
And the
who
one
has the gun, and the one that has a knife.
Later, I'm gonna download Discord.
Why? We don't need Discord.
Discord is like Messenger, but you find online friends.
Wait, do you want to do that?
Yeah, sure.
Sarah, where are you? Okay, let's go.
I'm here.
I'm stuck.
I
We have
have
to
this
play in
image
first person. We have to play in first person.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Real base, military base. We can only do like one person. Yeah, we only have to do first person. We can't do like third person.
Oh, I love third person. I'm stepping on your head.
Hey, I hate you.
Oh!
Either you have a chance or you don't think, Sarah, if you're a murderer, I will stay away from you the whole term of school. I mean, the whole term of school.
I'm not so good at being
What? Being what?
in the first
Sarah, are you
place.
murderer? Sarah, are you Sharon?
Yes.
Reset.
I'm the murderer.
You're bad.
Mama.
I like to kill you.
Oh my god. We not teaming, okay? Bro, Shadow. Holy hitbox.
Bro, I literally joked you. Bro, there's like 3 people. Yeah, you're only taking one.
I'm just so greedy I'm not dying.
Because you're murderer. I think she's gonna kill you. I don't even know what to do. There's like 2 people. Sarah, the one's outside.
Oh.
Yeah, both of them are outside. One is behind the crate, and one is just walking around, collecting coins. Go outside.
Wow. I'm so laggy, oh my gosh.
Well, he's at the thing where you he has the gun, Coach Nick has the gun.
I'm not
I think he's bad.
jumping.
Navis, Navidad. Yeah. Navidad.
Oh my gosh, I keep lagging. For no absolute reason.
Wait, you have to post it on YouTube. You have to post it on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
This is 4 minutes.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. We
forgot
just made that account for no reason.
Yeah, but the other videos we can post on TikTok. Like the one.
Why are they looking at me? like they're disappointed.
Yeah, cause we are.
Male base.
Sarah, we have to do. We can go in third person now.
Yay! My favorite thing. I can't believe I got murderer at the first gameplay.
I swear if we both get sheriff, if I get sheriff and you get sheriff,
Hi, I see you.
hi.
Hi.
Are you
I saw
my
your
girl?
little Now I'm innocent.
Okay, let's stay the same.
Following you, I don't know why. It's like I'm a murderer.
Making my way downtown, walking, thinking I'm alone. Now I'm
That's the next one.
It's like oh, Hi. If you
Meow.
kill me, I will kill you in real life. I'm kidding.
Ah! How dare you? How dare you? Your avatar is too heavy.
And you're too bakla.
Hey.
Girl, you keep saying in the GC that you're bakla. I already know who the murderer is. Bye.
And did you see me die?
Yeah, I saw you die.
I became green. Oh,
Bro, he's using aimbot. That's aimbot. I was jumping and he was like, that's aimbot.
look at my new dance.
We're so bad even while we're doing third person.
Oh wait,
No, don't.
I want to show you my new plushie.
Let's see how well this goes. Like, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I wonder what's happening. Ah!
Yeah, there's literally 5 people left.
I broke my ankle.
Aray mo. Bakak.
Oh, my friend joined me. Oh my gosh.
Why does he keep joining you?
Oh no.
Tell her to stop joining us. By the way, you know my nails unboxing thing? The short?
Yeah.
I posted it on YouTube and it might get paid. I might get paid.
Oh wow. I have
Why
the
we're
old
all
thing.
green? Y'all, my Sarah, spectate. Spectate. I'm doing a split. I'm doing the split. Spectate the sticker. I'm doing the split.
Oh wow.
I'm
And
flexible.
you're also green. We're both green.
Yeah, because he's using acid thing. Sheriff 1v1, bro. There's like, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bro, there's 4 people left and you want 1v1?
I'm scared. She's
I'm so
stalking me.
I'm so flexible. Yo, that's cheating.
I
That's
keep
cheating.
pressing it. Oh my gosh. Mama.
Yay! Innocent win! But it took too long. Mama,
Yay!
criminal.
Mama, I'm a criminal. Criminal.
Do you know that girl in real life?
No. Yeah. She's
Who's
my friend in church.
She's your friend in what?
In church. She has my personality.
Stupid?
We're both stupid.
Okay,
So,
good.
yeah. Bro, you can't say you are sheriff. I want to 1v1. Shut up. I need personal help. Hi, I'm her friend. Hi. Gabby, hello?
Yeah? Mama, I'm a criminal. Princess Leonza.
That's nice.
Yeah, we friends. Are you murderer or sheriff or innocent?
I'm innocent.
If you have the gun, can you reset and give it to me?
Look at me.
Wait.
Oh, wow. Monster. How should I?
How do
Oh,
you slash do that? Oh, wait, now I know.
let's do this. Slash, I forgot. I'm so dumb.
Do I forget to do this slash do that? Yeah, I found it. I did it.
I know how to do that, but I forgot.
Yeah,
I
it's
only
like,
have-
you have to do like slash Eden. You have to do
You guys
like,
are both aircorns. Aircorn. Aircorn.
candy corn.
Yeah.
Bandy corn. Wait, I have bandy corn. Hey, this guy made me a bandy.
What?
Bandy corn.
Oh man.
What did you get?
Innocent again.
Me too. Bro,
We.
get away. I'm staying away from you people.
I'm following you.
Why are you following me? Bye. Bye.
Hey! That gave me a heart attack. Ooh.
Bro, this guy.
Where'd you go? Oh.
The sheriff is better than me while I'm bad at killing.
I'm taking 8 because I'm too lazy. Why you hiding?
Awful behavior. What's up with this? Well, like Matilda was born lucky.
Oh, really, you.
I killed somebody again. I have killed approximately like 4 people.
Yes.
Yeah. These people do. By the way, how many people are there?
1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3.
Yes? Is the guy in the rainbow in the sheriff?
I don't know. No. Meow, meow.
There's only 2 people left now. The sheriff.
Oh, wow.
No, but we need an exercise.
I'm spelling meow. Why is it saying yow?
This guy, bro. I forgot he was a sheriff, but I got a lot of kills. At least there was only like 2 people left until I died.
Oh. Monster, how should I feel? Creatures fly.
I'm gonna say your name out loud. Eh.
Oh my god, they're. Oh my gosh. What the hell?
This girl's like,
Okay. Why did
but
she
it's
say
really
okay? Why did she say okay so confidently?
Yeah, I know. What are you? Are you murderer or sheriff?
Innocent again. I hate it. Wow.
Okay, wait a minute.
Oh, wow. What are you doing there, gang?
Gang, so they don't get me. Are you
I
sure?
push you.
Are you murderer?
No, I'm
Are
not
you
more
murderer?
you.
I kill
No,
you.
I only have this.
Okay, you fine.
I only have this.
Ah, wait, I already know. They are somebody already killed me. Because you're in with me.
Yeah, I only have this. I'm not the murderer. Yay!
I'm gonna stop using your house. We have to hide. We're like in plain sight. But they
I want
can't see us.
hamburger. I want hamburger.
Hamburger. Hamburger. I have no emotes.
I'm emo. By the way, I forgot what teacher said. Either drawing ba?
Yeah.
Oh, have ba?
We dancing. We
Yay!
dancing.
Together. I think crabs hurt so bad.
We can win by staying beside each other. So like if somebody tries, somebody murdered somebody here. Seriously, like in
Wow.
the behind us, the dead body.
Ah, I'm going somewhere.
Sarah, lead them to me so I can kill them.
What do you
If they're
mean?
chasing you, lead the murderer to me so I can kill them.
Okay. Mama! Mama! She here! It's my friend!
Hi.
She's blind! She's blind! She's blind! Run! Two babies fighting. Oh my god. Two bacons fighting.
Yeah. By the way, I was literally shooting at her.
But the aim was going nowhere. The aim was going nowhere.
Did you see my literal,
Yeah.
You see my friend.
Yeah.
Two bacons did it. Let's play a new game. Mama,
We
Mama.
will.
Mama. Let's play community.
Wait. I'm lagging so bad. I love forcing my voice until it's like this. Just give me this.
Wait, let me rejoin. Wait, let me rejoin. I want to claim a gun.
Oh wow.
I'm gonna join. Mama. Nobody
Aww. Infection? Oh hell no.
Yay, we won.
Oh wow, we won. That was so basic.
Wait, Sarah.
Yes.
We can't use color picker. We have to actually, do our colors like exactly the same. Like we can't use color picker.
I'm color red.
Sarah, you have to stop that.
I'm color red. I'm color red.
Are you Hyder or Seeker?
Ida.
No, it's in ketchup.
I'm color red. I'm hiding nowhere. How do I? I'm so bad. Wait. What color is the? Wait. Oh my god.
Oh my.
Never.
My literal hiding spot is bad. Seriously. I have to be down.
I literally don't know my hiding spot. I'm just coloring random things. Mama, I'm a criminal.
Wait, I have to think.
Mama, I'm a criminal. Ah! Oh my gosh. The Minnow followed me.
I'm so
I'm
great.
calling-
I have such a good hiding spot.
I have a bad hiding spot.
I have good hiding spot.
I'm coloring everything. I'm
Wait,
coloring
talking of
everything
the-
green.
Huh?
I'm coloring everything green. So green. It's so ay, Janela! Mama, I'm a criminal.
I think they got me to find
My big.
Yeah, they got me to find
My Dima very big. My Dima big. Eh. 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 Ay. Madi. Very big.
I'm going to win.
We're going to win. They're not moving at all.
He AFK.
Madi.
Mama,
Madi. Why does the word? Why am I hiding again? My D, my big. Oh no, they're starting move. They're starting to move.
There's two
I'm
more now. They're not going to find me. Because
I'm even hiding. My D, my big. My D, my very. What am I singing right now? I'm
you say this big ass cake.
What cake?
There's a cake. There's a cake.
There's one.
Yeah.
There's one cake.
I'm the one farthest from everyone. Like, I'm in the middle.
There's 3 cakes. Which cake?
No, the big one. The big one. I'm near an ice cream. I'm beside an ice cream in a gingerbread tower.
Ah, okay.
I'm on top of that. Like, if I go layo, you cannot see me.
I don't even know where I'm hiding at. I have
Seriously?
the worst spot ever. I
They will never find me. My hiding spot is too smart because I'm hiding away from it.
I'm going away. Mama. Mama, I'm a criminal. Let me post 28. Yeah. I'm smart. Not really. Eh.
So ano?
I'm a criminal. Yay! Yeah. win. Winners win. And I'm running away and they didn't even see me.
They find me.
They
found me?
Yay! I'm going to color myself.
Is Mia still here?
Watch me color.
I think they finally looked up.